It's beginning. I know. Let's do this.
And just like that, their imagination made it real.
In their imagination, the tiny robot dinosaur grew bigger. And B-I-Tiger! Whoa! Whoa! It's enormous!
Roar beep.
Don't worry, we're superheroes! And we're not scared! Iron Bluey flying! Bluey! It's tickling the ground! Let's race it! Whoa! He's so big! Look at his legs! Faster, Bingo! You're fast, Dino! Dante! But not faster than superheroes! Wow, look!
It's coming down.
He just wants to play. I think it wants friends. We can be its friends. You're the best dinosaur ever!
I love him so much.
Beep boop whir whir.
Wow! So cool! When playtime ended, the giant dinosaur became small again. But the fun stayed big. That was the best dinosaur ever! And that's how Bluey and Bingo learned that imagination can turn even a small toy into a big adventure. That was so fun! Let's do it again! Bingo! Let's be explorers today! What should we explore? What should we explore?
I want to learn about the Maya. Let's go on an adventure.
Let's go back in time! Let's get in time! Whoa!
This is amazing.
Wow! Wow! Look at all these trees! Yeah!
Look at those huge pyramids. The Maya built those. I've read they were really good at building.
It's a bit spooky. But exciting! Is it safe?
Is it safe?
Of course it is.
I think we're near an ancient Maya temple.
Wow! It's Bluey!
It's so big.
Come on, Bingo!
I'm coming, Bluey. do we have here? What do we have here?
Look, Bluey!
It's a picture of a Maya king! And there's a picture of the sun. The Maya really loved the sun.
What do you think this means?
I don't know. It's very mysterious.
The Maya believe the sun gave them strength.
We can pretend we're Maya kings and queens. Giggles.
I bet the Maya were really good at this.
One quiet night, Bluey and Bingo were fast asleep when they heard a strange noise coming from the backyard.
Did you hear that? Yeah. What was that? Maybe it's a mystery. Let's be superheroes and solve it!
Bluey and Bingo put on their superhero outfits, ready for their nighttime adventure. Superhero costumes! We need our capes.
I'm Super Bingo, ready for adventure. And I'm Captain Bluey.
Mystery solvers. We need to be super sneaky, Bingo.
Yeah, like Batman and Spider-Man. Flashlight, ready. Our secret weapon.
Together, they stepped into the dark backyard, their flashlight beams cutting through the night.
It's really dark out there. I'm a little scared.
Don't worry, we're superheroes. We're brave.
Ready to go outside? Superhero mission! It's so dark and noisy. I think it's coming from the trash cans. Shh. Listen, it's getting louder. Do you think it's dangerous? Yeah.
As they got closer to the noise, their hearts raced.
Do you see anything? Wait! Look! Look at him go! He's making such a mess! He found the crust!
Look at his tail, Bluey. It's so waggy.
We were so scared of a little skunk.
We should let him finish his dinner.
Yeah, and we weren't scared at all.
Police Bluey reporting for duty. Police Bingo ready.
I am the naughty clown.
That clown looks eerie suspicious.
Police officers! Officers, let's catch him!
Never catch me! Hunk! Hunk!
Stop right there, silly clown! You're under arrest! You're under arrest! Peekaboo! We found you! Bluey, I can see his foot!
Charge!
Oh, you got me!
Oh no! Foiled by tiny police.
Woo!
There's nowhere to run, clown! He iced you! Hands up or paws up? Paws up.
Okay, I surrender.
You're under arrest for being T.O. silly. Silly!
Okay, Bingo, ready?
Ready, Bluey! Go! Woohoo! You did it! Look, Mom, I'm swimming. Me too, Dad. I bet I can swim faster than you, Bingo. Huh? You think so? I'm ready to win.
The race began, and both Bluey and Bingo were off to a fast start.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
Not if I can help it. Help it.
Okay, Bingo, perfectly in time.
Yes, Bluey, we are swimming like synchronized experts. I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
I'm not giving up.
Okay, Bingo, almost there. Just a little bit more, Bluey. As they reached the halfway point, Bluey and Bingo were so close, it was impossible to tell who was winning.
I can do this. Just a little more speed. We're almost there. Come on. I gotta go faster. She's really pushing it. Just a little bit more.
Keep going, sweeties.
Oh, you got this.
They're so close.
Woohoo, you made it.
That was a great race.
I can see the edge. Almost there. One quiet afternoon, Bluey and Bingo started playing a very small game.
Let's roll the ball to each other. Easy. Easy peasy. roll it a little faster. Okay, Jester. Huh? Okay. Oh, good, just a little.
But the small game started getting bigger.
Oops. Oops. It's okay. Let's make it bigger. Bluey! This is getting messy. Uh-oh.
Girls, what's going on here?
Bluey and Bingo realized their little game had turned into big trouble.
Sorry, Mom.
One sunny morning, Bluey and Bingo decided to go on a new adventure. So go, exploring the lost city of Atlantis.
I'm going to be the captain of the ship.
And I'll be the brave explorer. We're sailing through the deep ocean to find Atlantis.
I bet it's full of treasure. Hey, treasure!
Wow, look at that! It's so big!
After a long journey across the ocean, Bluey and Bingo finally arrived at the hidden city of Atlantis.
Wow! Look at all the tall towers! Atlantis is real!
It's so beautiful. The water is sparkling.
The city was full of colorful fish, glowing sea plants, and mysterious treasures.
Look, Bluey! Treasure chests!
Oh, it's so heavy!
You can do it, Bluey!
As they explored, they discovered treasure chests filled with sparkling gems and ancient scrolls.
Look, Bingo! This gem is shining like the sun!
It says here, to find Atlantis, you need a brave heart and a lot of imagination.
We have both of those! We're brave explorers!
One afternoon, Bluey and Bingo were playing a fun game on the TV. Hey! I was going
Why is it glowing? I don't think that's normal.
Before they knew it, something magical happened.
Bluey! Bluey, we're in the game!
This is awesome!
Ah!
The game world was full of fun challenges, Bob, but nothing scary. Over the first block.
Boing! Boing! Don't look down! Just keep smiling! Opening Granny's kit! We made it! Hooray!
To finish the game, the sisters had to work together. I'll press this button.
And I'll press mine.
Spider Hero reporting for duty!
Copy that, Officer Bingo. Let's get 'em! Done!
Ready when you are!
I'm Spider-Bluey. Ready? Ah! Swinging through the city. Ah!
And I'm Officer Bingo. I'm on the lookout for a superhero who's not following the rules. Catch me if you can, Officer Bingo!
Oh!
Spider-Bluey was quick and tricky, but Officer Bingo was determined to catch her. You'll never catch me, Officer Bingo!
You got this, Bluey. Watch this. Woohoo! Yeah!
Zoom!
Yay! Bingo!
I have a plan. I have a plan. Pew pew!
Wow! Look at that, Bluey!
With a swing of her web, she zoomed through the room. Whoosh! I'm out of here! Wow! Bam! Nailed it! You did it, Bluey!
Oh, God! Not so fast. Oh!
Whoa! Ha-ha! Not fair!
You can't catch me, Officer Bingo. I'm too fast.
You're not getting away this time, Bluey!
Oh, no, you don't, Bingo! Gotcha! Ah, you got me!
I got you.
Oh, wow! You really snuck up on me, Bingo! Wee! What? You're sneaky, Officer Bingo! One sunny afternoon, Bluey and Bingo decided to try something new. Playing golf!
I'm going to be the best golfer ever. I'm gonna win! Watch out, Bluey! Here's the first hole. It's a tricky one. I'm ready! Hey!
Bluey stepped up to take the first shot.
Okay, here I go. I'm gonna make it into the hole.
You almost did it, Bluey!
I'm getting close! I'm getting close!
Now it was Bingo's turn to try.
I can do this! Watch me!
A gentle swing and a soft thwack.
Oops! I missed!
The game went on, and both Bluey and Bingo were having so much fun.
I think I can do it now! Go, Bluey! No! Bluey! Yes! I did it! I did
Great job, Bluey! Now it's my turn. Oh no! It hit the elephant!
Look, Bingo! A magic coin!
Wow, it's so sparkly!
Catch!
I got it! This is the best day ever! One sunny afternoon, Bluey and Bingo were playing together when Bluey dropped her shiny coin.
Oh no! My coin fell down the drain! Oh. What do we do now? Sad sigh. What do we do now? It's stuck! I really liked that coin. Oh. Thanks, Bingo.
Kalmekarin van Priggie. We can get it back, Bluey.
Yes, we can!
Don't worry, here's the plan.
Oh no! Careful, Bingo! Gotcha! Thanks, Bluey! Anytime!
I can't get it. I give up.
Don't worry, Bingo. We can still fix this.
With one final effort, Bingo got the coin. Yay! You did it, Bingo! Look what I found. We make a great team.
Yeah, that we do! Yeah.
One afternoon, Bluey and Bingo were having fun outside when the sky turned gray.
Let's run for cover! Let's go! Quick!
They both rushed to the shelter behind the house, laughing as the rain fell all around them.
Look, Bingo! Look, Bingo! What is it?
After a few minutes, the rain stopped, and the sun peeked out from behind the clouds. And what did they see? A big, beautiful rainbow!
Look! Bingo! A rainbow! Wow! It's so colorful! It's like a big, shiny bridge! Wow! That's amazing!
Bluey and Bingo were amazed by the rainbow and started to imagine what it would be like to play on it.
Wouldn't it be fun to slide down the rainbow?
Though the rainbow slowly disappeared, Bluey and Bingo's imagination kept the fun going. Let's pretend the rainbow comes back every time it rains.
Yes, and we can keep sliding down it forever!
That was the best rainbow slide ever! And that's how Bluey and Bingo learned that even after the rain, the fun never has to end. One afternoon, Bluey decided she wanted to be very serious.
Bingo! I'm playing an important game! The serious game. No laughing. This is very grown up.
But Bingo had a very hard time being serious.
Boop. I'm Ferdy. Open cookie, but let's go name boop and Stop it, Bingo. I'm serious. Beep. Boop. Serious robot. I am serious. And just like that. Just like that, the serious game was over. Bingo, you ruined it! I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it.
What's so funny?
I was trying to be serious.
Well, laughing is important too.
Oh no, a little kitty.
Don't worry, superhero Bluey and Bingo are here.
Okay, heroes, here's the plan. I'll boost you up and you grab the kitten. Got it. I'll be extra careful. I'll be Iron Bluey and stay on the ground to help. And I am Bat Bingo, fastest hero in the sky. Every good rescue needs a smart plan. Don't worry, little kitty. We'll get you down.
Just stay right there.
It's gonna be okay. Even more frightened.
Every good rescue needs a smart plan. We will approach from the left.
Okay.
And then it's go time.
Bat Bingo began her careful climb up the tree. You can do it, Bat Bingo! You've almost got it! Yay, why? Yay, why? You're safe now.